How to upload your own metadata for NFTs to IPFS using Pinata. Go to pinata.cloud, sign up. Fill out all of your information. You will need a working email address. Then hit register. Next, you'll be brought to the screen where you have to once again enter your email and also a code that was sent to your email. Fill that out, submit code. You will then be brought to your dashboard. I'm going to be walking you guys through the process of uploading metadata to mint an NFT via Etherscan on Foundation smart contracts. So that's why I'll be uploading folders, but you can apply this information and use this process in general. Using this image that I made on Midjourney, this is important. It's a PNG, so I save it as nft.png, all lowercase. Then I make a new folder, also named NFT, all lowercase, and I put the image inside of the folder. On your dashboard, hit upload. Select folder. This pops up. Select your folder, hit upload. Browser gets this pop-up, upload, give your folder a name. Mine already was NFT in all lowercase, I kept it the same. Upload. A pop-up should show your progress. It might take a minute depending on how big your file is. Mine was small, so this only took a few seconds. Your page will auto-refresh to look something like this. This is your CID or content identifier. Now on Pinata, you could just click NFT to view this in your browser. But let's say that you were not logged in or you To make this Web 2 compatible in your browser, you'll type in https://ipfs.io/ipfs/. Click the box to copy your CID, paste it after the slash, and hit enter. And your page should look like this. If you clicked on this number, it would be the CID for your direct image. However, for this tutorial, since we're using folders, you're going to go up to your browser and add /nft.png, which should match your file name. Hit enter and your art is on IPFS. You're not done yet. All metadata gets stored in a JSON that points to your image stored on IPFS. So open your favorite text editor or use a website to make JSONs. This is the format for all NFTs. There is additional information that you can add, but since we're doing this one for Foundation, we're going to keep it super simple. Name, description, and image. So put in all the information, the name of your NFT, your description, then the image link will be put in exactly like this, but make sure that it's your CID. Save as metadata.json, make sure that it is a JSON file, and then save that into a folder. I called it metadata, and repeat the same process to upload that folder to IPFS. I renamed my folder FDN meta in all caps this time while I was uploading it, but that doesn't matter as long as when you click on it or go to the CID using IPFS gateway, it looks something like this with metadata.json in all lowercase. You have everything you need to mint through Etherscan.